how to fix OnStream app not working and crashing. So if you want to fix the OnStream app not working and crashing, then what you need to do is first you need to search for OnStream application. Tap and hold on to that application, go with the app info. Under your app info, you need to go with the storage and cache. So in my case, I don't have the on-screen app, but if you have the OnStream app, then you just need to simply go with the same process. It's the same thing for each and every application that crashes. So once you're here, you just need to simply go with clear cache and then clear storage. Once you've done with clear cache and clear storage, you need to go back and you just need to simply go with permissions. And if you've not allowed any permissions, then you just need to simply go and turn on the permission of SMS, photos and videos, notifications, location, and everything. You need to go with allow or allow only while using the application, these two options. So once you've allowed the permissions, now you just need to simply go with notifications and you need to turn on the notifications. Once you've done all of these, now you just need to simply go and restart your device, and after that your problem will be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing you need to do is check your internet connection and go with your Play Store. Go with search. Under search, you need to search for the application, which is OnStream. And after that, if you have any updates under your OnStream application, you can simply go and update. Once you've updated, your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix OnStream app not working and crashing. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.